Even if you find that according to the business plan your idea isn't viable, don't give up. There are thousands of other ideas out there, and you can ultimately find one that suits you. If you wish to be wealthy, healthy, and happy, there is a business waiting for you to grab. Your business plan will provide the direction and focus, but you will need to take the first step. Writing a business plan isn't difficult if you know what you should focus on. You now have an idea of what is important and how you should tackle the task of writing a business plan. And you are now better equipped to start a successful business. Start your research today, jot down all those brilliant ideas, set your goals, define a path, and don't let anyone stop you. Now you know how to write a business plan. For your success is in your hands. Make the best of it.